All right, so today we're going to be going to Dollar Tree to check out their dollar spot. You can see right now, because it's about to be back to school time, it is geared towards, getting organized for the school season, different things like that, but they still have some home decor. The first thing are these file holders. They're $3 and they came in a couple colors. And then these little cute things here, they're like little small bag baskets, and they come in 3 different designs. And then because fall is coming eventually, they have these cute little gnomes, and they had them at my Target right now. They had them in 2 different little colors, and I thought they were cute, and they did play in for the fall, and they were only $3. And then they still have some leftovers because summer is still here, but these are more holiday themed, like for 4th of July, but we haven't had Labor Day yet, and they are $5. And you can put they're like little tea lights in them, and they'll look cute. This I thought was cute. It is $5, and you get the jar with the wooden spoon and the top. So that was cute. We've seen this before, but I just still think it is cute because it has a little speckle detail, and that's $5 for that little picture. And then some more organizational bins. They come in all of those colors at my dollar spot, and they are $3, and they're a good size. And then these were way bigger. They were kind of like double the size, kind of. And there are some more storage bins, and they are $5. Those are the 2 colors they had there at mine. These little trays, if you see these, I think these would be so cute, like on the vanity on your table for organization, and they're $5. So cute. This bin, I believe we've seen it before, but I love the little compartments and stuff in it. And then if you didn't want the white little tray, they have it in like a teal, just not picking up how bright it is right here, but that's $5, and it has different handles on it, which I think is cute. This right here, I think we've seen this before, but it is $5. They only had 1 left at my Target dollar spot. These little candle holders, $5. Sometimes you can find them in different colors too. This little basket here, $5, and it's nice and deep, and then I like the different textures. This, I really wasn't sure what it was. I've seen it before. $5. It's a wood sign, so I'm guessing, I don't know. It looked like a chalkboard, right? I don't know if you write on it with chalk, or I don't know. These cups, we've seen these before, but I like the little detail on them. $5 for the set, so that's like $2.50 each. Seen these before, $5, but they only had 1 set left at my Target. These are, they say, for your locker, for decoration. These, I thought they were cute, and they had the little speckle detail on them too, and they came in 2 different colors at my Target, and they were $5. This organizational caddy, I think, is so cute, and it's $5, but I think I have shown that one before also. So Target is going to mix and match with the new and the old, but they always are bringing out something. These little soap lotion pumps that you can put in your bathroom or someplace, $5 for the set. That's not bad. Then this light up mirror, $5, and I just think it's cute, something extra to have to check your makeup. These signs for the fall, so cute, with a little leather detail, little metal trim on the outside. They are $5. That one says hello fall, and this one says home sweet home. And I don't know if you can tell, but it has a little thing so you can open it up and it stands up on its own. The drying racks, I don't know if you've seen these. These are $5, and they come in white and in black, so you can have 2 different colors. And then the little kitty stuff, they have so much more kitty stuff now. $3 for the rake and the hose. Is that what you call that? I don't know. I don't garden. Then these little a lot of little kid things. They have this. I thought was cute. It's my birthday. $3, and this would be good, I guess, for a classroom. Like I said, they're gearing these things towards school and stuff like that. They have first day of school. That would be good for home. But you can incorporate these things at home or at school if you're a teacher looking for something. Some of them didn't have prices on it, but it's the dollar spot, so it's going to be between, most of the time, $3 and $5 for these things. And then sometimes you'll get a few dollar pieces. These little activity things, if you are still doing road trips and stuff like that, I think these would be great to pack for your kids to take on road trips, even on a long flight, just different things to keep your kids entertained, or if you are doing some at-home schooling. These little cute water containers or juice container, $1, but that was cute. These little umbrellas, I only saw the Paw Patrol one, but they were $3, which I thought was a good deal for a little character themed umbrella. These for helping your kid learn little magnetic numbers. You can do math problems and things like that for $3. Not bad. This little face, so you can make little faces. They look funny, but just something fun to do with your kids, and that's $3. Like I said, a lot of different little kid activities, which can be used for school teachers, for just having at home with your kids, for road trips, for airplane rides, for just things to keep your kids entertained while also educating them. So they have a lot of little things, and they have a lot of pieces in the dollar spot at Target for $1 for the kids. So these things, I'm assuming, help with coordination and different things like that. And then they have the little flashcards, $1. So shapes, different things like that. Building blocks, and these were $1 too. So like I said, they have a lot of little dollar things for your kids at the dollar spot. It's actually becoming the dollar spot again, right? But and then other things range from $3 to $5, and they had a lot of school stuff right now and activity stuff. They also had some leftovers, again, like I said, from the holiday time, that little weather vane there, $5. And then they have these blue light glasses. So they have $3, and they have it in adult size and in kid size. Today, the kid sizes weren't really there. This is a leftover, but I just think it's nice and bright. It says come in and play. It's a little mat, and it's $5, like a floor mat. Then this is another leftover, but it's $5, and it has the little light at the bottom. So that's just something cute, and they had a few more left at my Target. More organizational bins, and these came in different colors, $3. So you can, because the colors coincide with each other, you can like make a whole little thing there. These little wall hangings, I don't know. What do you think? Do you think $5 are a lot for these little pieces? Sometimes I look at them and think $5 is a lot for them. They should be like $3, maybe. They still have one of these little LED signs. This is for Pride, and it lights up in different colors. And then those were the magnets again for $3. And then another leftover from like 4th of July and stuff, but you can use it for Labor Day, and they are $5, and you can put the little light in those. And then this planter, it was chipped, but I just wanted to show you because they have them in different sizes too, if you can find them. And then this one I thought was cute. Look at the little smiley face, and it says proud, and it's $3, and you get a little faux plant with it too. And then they had another one, different design. The picture they had in green. Actually, I've never seen it in green at my Target, so that was cute that I saw that in the green. And then these little microwave cups, you can pack these too for dorms. So you can get a lot of things for your dorm too from the dollar spot right now. They had this in different colors before, but now they just have that one color at my Target, and it's a 3-piece set. This right here, a little corner tray, $5. And I just think it gives you everything that gave you that little boho vibe. They still had some of these drink coolers left, so you can put your wine bottles or drink bottles in those. $3 for that wall hanging. And then these, I wasn't sure what this was because it had a little hole on top, but I think it's just decorative. So it is $3, and then they have different versions. But see, they all have the little hole. So I thought maybe you put incense in them. I don't know what you do with them. But they are cute, and they have the two different little textures on them, which I think is cute. These containers right here, another cute one they have with the wood top and then the glass bottom. And then they had it in a round and in a square shape, which was cute. We've shown these before. They are $3, just little figurines and cactus. These, I seen these a while ago, but then they brought them back to my Target. $3 for this set right here, which I think is cute. And then another drink holder, which I also think is good. And that one's $5. We've seen these, I think, in the last video. And this one is $5 for the double set, which isn't bad. And then this mirror charger, which I think is so cute too, for $5. And you get that. That's awesome. These came in two different colors, and it's $5. And it comes with the top. And I just think it's something cute to heat up your soups and different things like that. I think I've shown this before too, but I just think it's so cute with the little wheels and the cute little tray for $5. I think that's cute if you see that. This basket, I believe I've shown this before too, but if you haven't seen it, they have little baskets, and I think those are nice too, and they're a good size for the $5 at Target. These bins, I like them because they're just nice, simple colors, $5, and they say they are nesting baskets. I don't know what that means, but they were cute. More little kid gardening tools, so they have those right there for $3. Little puzzles with the clock, so it's like all kind of educational stuff. Those didn't have prices, but again, $3 to $5, that's what they're going to be. No more than $5, so you know you have that. And you can see the little white drying rack down there too if you didn't see it. This, I think it is $5. It was missing a tag, but it's a pillow with like a desk pillow, so you flip it, the pillow goes on you, the wood goes on, and you put your laptop on. This little basket, I love the colors, and it gave me a retro vibe, and so you get one for $3. I don't know if it gives you a retro vibe, but they're pencils, so but it gave me a retro vibe. I don't know. More little kid things so they can learn and educate. And then you know they have a lot of dish towels now, and they just come in so many cute prints, and they have the doubles so that they coordinate with each other, so you can get you can just get one and just have those two, or you can get two sets and then, you know, organize them. I don't know, you can do whatever you want, but I like the prints on those, and they have so many different sets, and they're $5. This little Peppa Pig thing I thought was cute, because they have a lot of little characters at Target, which I think is cute. This, I don't know what this is, but if you do, it's a Sense and Grow. So more dish towels, and like I said, I just think their dish towels are so cute, and for $5, a cute little set. I like them just for decoration. Like, you can use them, but I like them too just for decoration. Just have those out, and they change throughout the seasons, which I think is great. These little bento boxes, great to pack lunches. Like I said, you can take these stuff off to the dorm with you, or you can take it for the school year, or you can take it for yourself for lunch. And this one came in 2 different colors, and it had all the little components of a cute little bento box. And then the little pillows, so they had those nice and simple. And then they had this one where it says like chill zone, and then they also had it in a blue, and they were all $5. So that was it for the dollar spot today. Let me know what you thought, and I'll see you in the next one.